Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday and a great week. Well, I told you we were going to start this, so we're going to start this today as kind of a bonus video for Floss Tube Day. We're going to be starting right up here in this right hand corner, and the color is 3765. It is a teal color. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. And I've got my little cat because I don't have anything retro or Art Deco or anything-ish that away. So yeah, how is everybody doing? Have you made it through the holiday shuffle? Oh my goodness gracious. It's gotten a little bit quieter. Yeah. It was nice and quiet at work. It was kind of busy earlier, you know, when it was light, but beyond that, no, not at all. It died down about 6 o'clock-ish. And it continued to be that way all evening. I was just thrilled beyond words. Bring it in just a bit more. I stitched on, oh gosh, the bouquet of flowers-ish thing. Bless this family. I think that's what it's technically called. Yeah. Yesterday, and worked on the background a bit because I finished both those, oh, what do you call them? Bouquets of flowers, I guess you'd call them. So that was all the stitching I got. I came home and fixed me some nice hot spaghetti and put the rest of it in the freezer. Was kind of done with that. And yeah, just sat there and vegged the rest of the evening. Yeah, not bad at all. So I'll see what I'm going to work on today when I get home from work. What is everybody else working on? I hope you're working on something fun, something you love to work on. Whether it be counted cross stitch or stamped cross stitch or maybe not even cross stitch at all. Got anything you'd like to share? Just send it to my email address, which is in the description box below. And I will get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. We'll try. And like I said, it does not have to be just cross stitch. It can be whatever craft you are into. We like to see all the things because we are easily enabled, you know? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to pull something out for dinner, and I'm not real sure what that is going to entail. I got a few choices. Things I need to get out of there and be able to cook something to fill it all up with. But we gotta do some other things first, you know? I got two things in my brain that I'd like to fix. I'd like to fix some more chicken tortilla soup. And I've also got that nice, lovely ham bone in there that I can either make red beans and rice, or I can just make ham and beans, so to speak. Either one will work. At this point, they usually look alike when I cook them. I usually cook with, you know, the ham and the ham bone or ham hocks. And I also add andouille sausage to that for my red beans and rice, because I like the spicy sausage in there. But yeah, who knows what we'll do. But I do have to remove a few things from the freezer before I even think about making those two things. Anybody going anywhere over the New Year weekend? How about that weather? We got a skiff of snow. What day was that? Was it Saturday? No, maybe it was Sunday. Yeah, and it was all gone by pretty much by Sunday afternoon. So that wasn't too much. It was a little chilly yesterday morning. It was about -2. But of course the wind was up. So yeah. And then it was maybe in the mid-40s yesterday when I was at work. So it wasn't too bad. There wasn't any wind. Just kind of chilly, and it was about, 35-ish when I went home, so wasn't bad at all. And it'll be warmer. It was a little bit warmer today when I got up. Wasn't so sub-zero-y. So, yeah. No thanks. Got no plans with my daughter this week, I don't think. She hasn't said anything or called me or done anything. I'm sure she's busy with the kids because they're home until, what did I say, Tuesday of next week? Yeah, fun times to be had by all. And I don't know if my son-in-law's taken some time off. He sometimes does. He did a long time ago, during Christmas. And sometimes other holidays, you know, it just depends. Sometimes he'll do that in the summertime, you know, when the kids are home all the time, so we'll see. I haven't checked in on that. I thought she mentioned something about it, but you know, that was in the middle of the Christmas chaos, so don't expect me to retain too much. Sure is a pretty color. Don't know what the other colors are, but that one is sure gorgeous. Get this, whoops. It was stuck into my mat here. Let's see, where do I want to go? I guess we'll start right here and work our way down again. So far, it's not terribly confettied like those flowers. Holy cow. Those flowers just kind of make me go, maybe not today. Yeah, so I'll brave into that venture a little bit later on, maybe. The one I got, I don't remember who I got it from. Holy cow. I just know it was a spring cross stitch. So it'll be beautiful, but it might be a little bit of a pain in the bootay. Yeah, I probably stitched 2 hours yesterday on those flower in the basket thing. Flowers and fruits. I don't know, it was just fruits, wasn't it? Yeah, no flowers. I don't think. I haven't gotten any flowers. They're mostly berries or grapes or something. I don't remember. But it's sure going easy. So I like that. I didn't get out the rabbit yesterday. I like stitching on that one too. It's right at hand, so I just pick it up and put in a couple colors and move on. But it's nice and easy to stitch on as well. So, but I thought we needed a little, oops, wrong way, wrong one, back up, back up, back up. Needed a stitch with me today, just kind of as a bonus video. Had to leave my water running, what was that, Sunday and Monday night, because I was kind of afraid that it might freeze just because of the wind. But it didn't. We got through it. Had me a nice cup of hot tea when I got home last night, though. Just kind of chilled to the bone, not too bad. It's been worse, believe me. In fact, before I left for work, I debated on whether or not to take my scarf, my wool scarf, because I said something about crazy wind, and there wasn't any of that. I don't know what they're talking about. Some days they get it, and some days not so much. So I opted not to, that for some reason. It wasn't going to be nearly as cold as it had been the night before, so. But it's right there at the ready, I'm telling you. And I have been wearing my shawl, Miss Jill, at night when I'm sitting there stitching and watching Netflix. It's nice and warm and toasty. Seriously. What is going on? But I wanted to start this one the same day that I started the, we'll call it the fruit basket. Yeah, I loved them both. So I thought today would be the most opportune day. So just a little stitch with me, a little chit chat. Whoops. Just gonna put that down there. And put that there. Let me turn my cat around because I'm gonna flip it. I am upside down. Alright. There we go. So we're starting on that window. I can't really see where it starts and stops. Is there something else? Oh, there's the brickwork. So I guess it's just from that green line that way. So not too big of an area. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye bye. Keep stitching.